If you're looking to know everything about Oner AI, the newly released AI software that's been making waves, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about Oner AI before you decide to make it your go-to tool. First off, let's talk about what Oner AI brings to the table. It's an all-in-one AI platform designed for entrepreneurs, marketers, and businesses looking to leverage artificial intelligence to optimize processes. Whether it's automating content creation, improving customer service, or streamlining your business operations, Oner AI claims to do it all, and it doesn't disappoint. If you want to explore it for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can try it completely free. Now, what sets Oner AI apart from other software in this rapidly growing market? The most notable feature is its ease of use. Many AI platforms can be overwhelming, especially for those new to the tech, but Oner AI has been designed with simplicity in mind. From the moment you sign up, the interface is clean, intuitive, and ready to use without requiring hours of tutorials or prior experience. Next up, as customizability. Oner AI allows you to tailor its features to meet your specific needs, whether you're automating email campaigns, generating blog posts, or even crafting social media content. Its flexibility makes it a great fit for businesses of all sizes. Unlike other AI software that feels rigid, Oner AI adapts to the way you work. Another standout feature is speed and efficiency. This software doesn't just do the job, it does it fast. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, time is money, and Oner AI understands that. From generating content to handling multiple tasks simultaneously, this software can save you hours of work every day, which is a game changer for anyone in the digital space. For digital marketers and content creators, Oner AI's content generation capabilities are top-notch. It uses advanced algorithms to produce high-quality, engaging content that's SEO optimized right out of the box. Imagine having an AI assistant that can generate blog posts, ads, and social media captions, saving you both time and effort while still delivering the quality you need. One feature that many users have raved about is Oner AI's customer support integration. It can help you automate customer service responses, providing quick, accurate answers to your customers 24/7. This is especially beneficial for businesses looking to scale quickly while maintaining a personal touch. It's like having a dedicated support team without the overhead costs. A feature that's especially appealing to businesses is the analytics dashboard. Oner AI tracks your campaigns, content performance, and customer interactions, giving you valuable insights on where to improve. This means you can make data-driven decisions rather than relying on gut instincts, which is crucial in today's data-driven world. Finally, Oner AI is constantly evolving. The team behind it is dedicated to updating the software with new features, keeping it ahead of the curve in a competitive market. So if you're looking for a long-term solution, Oner AI is positioned to grow with you. If all this sounds good to you, I highly recommend giving it a try. You can access Oner AI for free right now through the link in the description below. And while you're at it, check out my recommended AI tools that I've personally tested and use in my own digital marketing strategies. These are all listed below for you to explore after testing thousands of AI softwares. Whether you're new to AI or already using several tools, Oner AI could very well be the game changer you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.